door. Somebody must be at the door.
Somebody.
Who's at the door?
Who's there?
There was Santa. Come on, guys. Let's see who. What's that?
Ethan.
Ready?
It's Santa Claus. Oh.
What's that? Whoa. It's heavy. Jeremy?
Wait.
What
Hold
did
on.
it say?
It says to Jeremy, Ethan, and Devin from Santa Claus.
Well, wait a minute. It says, what did it say? Jeremy, read this to your brothers.
Boys, I read your Christmas wish list and all three of you wanted the same thing. I got you what you wanted, but all three of you must share. Have a Merry Christmas.
Oh, that's
Bring it in.
Bring it in.
Santa Claus came, guys.
Yeah!
You heard him? Wow.
Hey, wait for me.
Good boy, Santa Claus gonna come.
Jeremy, wait for me. Jeremy, wait for me. Whoa, so. Okay,
All right, open it.
open it. Oh, whoa, you're in a hurry.
Around the
Open it.
world. Wow, around the world. Value.
Okay,
All right, open it, guys.
open it.
What is it?
You got a Wii.
All right, guys. No.
Wow.
Guys.
Good. You got a Wii.
Good job, Daddy. Hey, you're gonna break it. You're gonna break it.
You're going to break them up.
Yay, guys. Okay, stand up with your Wii. All of y'all, stand up with your Wii.
You hold this and you hold that remote and.
You guys got the red Wii. Wow. Devin, turn around so we can take pictures. Over
No,
here.
oh, look at her. I'm just doing video.
I just need to see the Wii. Move out of the way.
Devin, back up.
Okay, right there.
Somebody's phone ringing. Your phone ringing.
It says your phone. Oh, my phone. My phone is right here. Okay. Wow, did y'all like the Christmas? All right.
Jeremy, let me see the Wii.
I told you.
Oh, you got red
Good
Wii.
boy, Santa Claus was gonna come. Didn't I tell you that, Ethan? I told you, right?
You like your gift?
Good boy. Woo-hoo.
Now you got your own Wii.
Wow.
You stay used to having and we got rid of it.
Josie, who's
But too bad you only got one game.
No, I think that's
You got Wii Sports.
¿Qué favorito de fútbol?
Tiene que ir yo una.
De fútbol americano, grandma.